Hello, my name is Nishant Mendi and I am a mathematics faculty of Priya Vidya Vihar English School and Junior College. Our founder Mr. Dilip Jadhav sir, a great social worker, he established Dilip Jadhav Education Society, and under this education society, Priya Vidya Vihar English School gets started with a pre-primary in the year 2000 with very few students. Great things come from hard work and perseverance. Our head of the institution, Mrs. Pratibha Shinde Madam, a very enthusiastic sociologist, by her hard work and her innovative ideas, she constantly tries to develop this STEAM institution. Now this small sapling is get converted into a huge tree. Our one of the new college of Dilip Jadhav Education Society, that is Shiv Priya Junior College, has been started from year 2019 for Art, Commerce and Science stream at Ketapar at Kalmeshwar Taluka. Priya Vidya Vihar Junior College started from the year 2013-14. Our first 12th batch passed out in the year 2014-15 with a 100% result. Since then till now, our students shows their potential by achieving great success in board exam. Every year our students secure position in a merit list. Last year, Master Suvash Rajankar, he achieved the first position at Hingna Taluka. Since last 3 years, our students secure this first position at Hingna Taluka. In our college, we offer two streams of science, bifocal and general science. In bifocal, we have computer science, fisheries, and in general science, subjects are English, Marathi, Hindi, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and optional subjects like information technology and sociology. Along with the theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge is very important to understand crucial topics in subjects like physics, chemistry and biology. So we have precious laboratories with a well-equipped necessary accessories for the subjects like physics, chemistry and biology. All of our faculties are dedicated to their work. So by practical means they develop confidence of student regarding subject. We have precious computer science and information technology lab also. We know that for today's generation, IT skills and computer skills are necessary to remain upgraded with today's IT world. So we focus by this point of view and we develop the capability of students regarding the subjects like computer science and information technology. Fishery is the brand new branch of bifocal in science stream. For this subject also we have precious lab with the necessary equipment and aquarium. We give the best of best superior senior most faculties to understand such important subject. Along with this, we have a huge library for students and faculties with innumerable books on different subjects and by different authors to gain knowledge from different subjects. Our faculties prepare students for their board exams, but along with this, our faculties guide students for IIT JEE and NEET exam also. Every time we motivate our students by different activities like science exhibition, debate competition, guest lectures, cultural activities, field visit and many more. Number of activities are regularly conducted in a free environment to cultivate moral values, cultural and social sense in students. Priya Vidya Vihar provides the experience for intellectual and spiritual development as well. Through creative and modern education, student-centric, activity-oriented teaching, our college makes process more enjoyable. That makes the students more confident, stress-free and more enthusiastic. The best academic support, personal care and homely environment which we provide to the students to help them to meet their career goals, good results and make the family and nation proud.